to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'll be showing you how to make egg pudding or flan. So these are the ingredients that we need to make the egg pudding. 2 tins of evaporated milk, 2 tins of condensed milk, a 1/4 cup of ginger, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 eggs, and some cinnamon. So first I'm going to crack each egg, make sure that it's good, and throw it in this bowl. And I'm just going to whisk the eggs together. Now I'm going to add the evaporated milk to the eggs, as well as the condensed milk. It's a very simple recipe, but very delicious. I'm also going to add the ginger as well, and the sugar. And then I'm going to whisk everything together. And then I'll throw it out in a bowl. So now I'm going to strain the liquid just to get the chunks of ginger out. Once this is all strained out, then I'm going to put some cinnamon on top, so that when it bakes, it's going to be nice and golden brown at the top. Now this can be tossed in the garbage. So now I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon on the top of the liquid, and I've also preheated my oven to 330 degrees, and then I'm going to just put it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Once the top is golden brown, then you know that it's done. So now that the oven is preheated, I'm going to put the egg pudding in there for between 30 to 45 minutes. And then I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what the egg pudding or flan looks like when it's done. This can also be served warm, or it can be served cold. So either way is good.
How do you like it?
I like it cold. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.